Hi, I am Jed and I have been working in Dubai for 10 years and currently working as a digital media content creator in a multimedia company. I will be your trainer in videography and video editing in Emirates Education Centre. In videography course, students will learn how to properly expose their cameras and shoot in creative ways. In video editing course, students will learn from the basics to advanced and to the newest trends in video editing. After taking this course, videography students can apply as a videographer and video editing students can apply as a video editor in a multimedia company. For those who want to learn new skills and to shift their careers as a videographer or editor, come and enroll at Emirates Education Centre. We teach success.